Okay, second step, I just took it out that filter and it's look clean to me. Everything over here. I go for like front to rear side looking for this thing. So most important thing is this connector over here. So don't lose this thing and make sure the connector should be coming on the right position. So maybe I can focus this properly. So this is on parking position right now. Okay, I'll go like this. So this is in the parking position right now. So you don't need to lose this thing. So only lose the bolts over here, and it will, whenever you're fixing back, make sure it will be in this position. So now I'm back to the front side. So looking over here, like this is the transfer case over here, driving shaft, and now front side is engine over there. So if you come on driver side, this is the connector what I'm saying. So make sure it should be in parking position or whatever the last position was. So you have to keep it in the same position. And next step will be removing the bolts over here, and that they all are T30, and pan bolts are also T30. So after removing it, I'll make it second clip and let's see what's going on over the connector plate. Okay, here's the game. I took it out, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 over here, and 9, 10 bolts. Okay, so dealer told me they have a different part number, but if I'm able to focus it somehow, that's the same Mercedes part number. Maybe I can focus it over here. Release it. Saying how to troubleshoot. So maybe you can guys have idea what I'm doing it, and maybe it will help you in future. So whenever you're working on the Chrysler and Dodge 5.7 or 6.1, they, I think they are using the same transmission, 5 speed, whatever the 5 speed is, NG1, they have same Mercedes number. So don't worry about it. And if you're working on Sprinter or something, then they're using a second number. And if you're using a working on an 8 speed, then that's a different creature. So don't mix with that thing. Okay, so hopefully it will help, and that works.